Good day, everyone. I hope you are doing well and you are keeping safe. Before we go on to the scope of today's lesson, I'd like to share some few of those things I've noticed during the course of last lessons. I have noticed and discovered that many of you have been turning in empty tasks. Henceforth, that will not be allowed. Another thing is, many of you have been marking yourself present, but not participating in any of the tasks and not turning in your task. Henceforth, this will be sent to the management and you will expect to hear from them. So, when next you are given a task, participate in it, attempt all tasks, and turn in the right material. Welcome to class one more time. So today, we'll be looking at information transmission. And like I said before, this is a revision class. You have been taught in SS1. So let's refresh our memory. You will be looking at the process of information transmission, medium of information transmission, and the tools involved in information transmission. So let's move on. What is information transmission? Information transmission can be described as the movement of information, not people, not transformation, movement of information alone from places to places. Okay? Then, what are the processes involved in information transmission? This was a wire question 2 years ago. The question stated, diagrammatically explain the process involved in information transmission, as I've explained on the board. Of course, you can decide to use different caricature for your own, but these are the important things. You have to show us the sender, you have to show us the medium, and you have also to show us the receiver, while indicating the flow with your arrow. The flow, the movement of the information. Note that. And make sure you put that in your notes. Now, the second objective borders on medium of information transmission. Of course, if I say media, you should know that that's the plural for medium. Media for information transmission. They can be basically classified under two. The guided media, unguided media. Now, under the guided media, I've given you an example here. Cable. You look for the rest. You further make research into other examples. Cable. Examples of cables, you have the two-sted pair and you have the coaxial cable. There's one more, you can also look for that. Now, under unguided media, there's only one example which I want you to look for. That's why I did not put an example there. So you look for that example and you put it there for me. Okay? Bordering on the third objective here, tools for information transmission. What are the tools involved? Whenever we want to send information from places to places. Now, the computer system, majorly, because this is the 21st century, we are not more looking at the ancient method, we are looking at the modern method. So the computer system is important. Now, how? The computer system just by itself will do nothing. You need the operating system and you need the application software. So, let's say I want to send an email. What do I need? I need the computer system, but not only the computer system. I need the OS to be working, and I need the internet. I need the internet. All right. So, what about if I want to type? I want to mail an attachment. What application software will I need for that? Okay, somebody's guessing, right? I need a word processor. Now, in word processor, there are several examples of that, but the commonest one is a Microsoft Word or on Windows. So, I use that to type, and I forward this as an attachment. All right? Further instructions have been given to you in your Google Classroom. Make sure you look through them and find the further insight in the materials I have uploaded. I will see you soon. For now, it's bye-bye.